Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change the office mode to the black theme and white theme. How to change it black theme. To change it black theme or white theme, you can go to the file, then under the option click here. You have the office theme option here. So right now it's black. You can change black to default theme, say colorful. If we change to the colorful and okay, now let's change colorful to black. Go to the file, then click here option. Here you have the office theme as I told you. Let's change to black, then okay. See, we got the black theme. Also let's change to the green gray. Go to the file, then click here option, then office theme. We can choose dark gray, then okay. See, I prefer use dark gray because it's colorful and it's good for your eyes. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel, leave comment the video and share the video with others so they can benefit too. Also don't forget to visit my website. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.